Motorcycle camping. It can be tons of fun, but let me share with you a few hacks and things that can make or break your trip. To begin, small modifications like underseat hooks, luggage rack, and even spare gas can help you prepare. I found this little solar light on Amazon that can charge along the ride. Maybe not traditional, but I love Velcro as it creates extra reusable straps to hold small items or large bags in place while you adjust your luggage straps. Luggage with good straps on them is a must. Always carry tools on your bike, including a neck buff for you in case weather changes and tire repair kit. Check your motorcycle. Every ride, your tires should have the proper air. Bonus points if you've rigged up a USB port to keep your phone and devices charged. Now hit the road and find camp. Let's talk bedding. Don't go cheap here. Sleeping bags should have 2 numbers. Comfort, the minimum you'd be happy at temp, and limit, the you probably won't freeze but you won't be happy temp. Plan accordingly. And get yourself a good sleeping pad. Baby wipes make a quick camp shower, bug repellent is a must, and earplugs, whether silencing people or wind noise, are a huge help. I also brought some fire stuff in that bag and picked up some more on the gas station. I know that Duralogs people have some opinions on, but they're super easy to carry, and the 2 gas stations nearby, because you're supposed to burn it where you get it, did not have anything other than that. And then foraged in the woods for a couple things too. Don't go around breaking things off of trees, and just respect the area that you're in. Again, I can use that USB port to charge my Bluetooth in my helmet and break out the solar light. Neck buff, jack of all trades, good on the bike, good off the bike. All of the layers. The cheap move with motorcycles since they're filled with gasoline. Boom, gas. Why worry about lighter fluid? And the next day, pack it up and keep traveling. Speaking of traveling, did you know that Law Tigers is a national network of lawyers that actively want to help motorcyclists? So if you're injured on a motorcycle anywhere in your travels, there's a lawyer that's an expert in that area. More information in the description below. Give us a follow and I will see you in the next one.